What's up, ladies and fellow tradesmen and tradeswomen? This is Masters at Wagtail. Here's an update on the account. Not too many people saw that video, and I can't believe one person would put the thumbs down on someone a fellow tradesman at that, who's out there trying to make a buck, to earn a living for himself. Going to put the thumbs down to me losing an account. That shows that person's real character, man. That person in life is most likely struggling. And I know who it is. The same person that always put the thumbs down on my videos. Him and his other little follower. It's a couple of them. But I pay them jokers no mind. You know why? Because I'm still getting that money. And they ain't stopping me from doing nothing. And I want to thank them truly from the bottom of my tuchus and congratulate them for giving me a view at least. The thumbs down, I don't care, but you still watch the video. Whether you watch it for 2 seconds, the point is you cared enough to click. So that tells me I'm getting to you. That tells me you want to see what I have to say, no matter what you agree or disagree about. You got to keep coming back for more, baby. And that's good. As long as I keep you coming back, that means I'm doing my job. I wouldn't be doing my job if nobody visited at all. Thumbs up or thumbs down. You feel me? So an update on this account I told you I lost. And I titled the video, You Will Lose Jobs. So I just came back from the other location. I told you I'd do another location. And I just finished cleaning. I talked to the guy. I said, yo, man. I said, that's messed up. Y'all ain't even telling me y'all was closing up shop. He said, yeah, man, we had to get out of there. We was losing money. He said for a while we was even. So the owner was like juggling like, okay, well, do we stay open or do we don't stay open? And then for the past 6 months, they was losing $700 a week in revenue. So they had to get up shop. Their lease wasn't up. So they were early on their lease, about 12 months or something like that. Yeah, 13 months, I think it was. So that what they did was they had to pay a penalty and get up out of there. And they ended up paying for 4 months because they left all the equipment, and he told he could rent it out with a turnkey and everything. Turnkey restaurant. They could rent it out. So that's what he's going to do. The owner ain't losing money. They're going to get their revenue. And then some. So that's what they did. So you know what he told me? He told me they're looking at another location in Westchester, PA. So I said, man, well, I got that store. Y'all are gonna definitely take me there. I'm there anyway once a month. So you see, this goes back to what I was saying, is that sometimes something bad has to happen for something good to happen. Just because it was a negative situation and you showed up to clean the job and everyone just left town without a notice, you know what I mean? Just rest assured that that bad thing is going to turn into a good thing. Because now they're opening up another location in Westchester. They may open it up in a different area, but they plan on opening up something. So all is not lost. So really, I didn't lose anything. You feel me? So that's that. I wanted to tell y'all about that. Is that when you lose a job, don't get discouraged, because there's a plan involved. It might not make sense to you, and you might not understand what I'm talking about, but have faith that a plan is involved. And this is necessary to happen in order for this other plan to go through. Just look at it at that. Just look at it as an experience, a stepping stone for something greater to come. And you gotta know that wholeheartedly, or else you're never gonna make it in this business. I don't mean to be negative, but I'm telling you, man, I see a lot of people throw in the towel. Don't you be one of them people. You can do it. This is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.